Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use Confluence for meeting notes. So first log into your Confluence account. On your active Gmail account, you will be directed to the Confluence dashboard. And here just head over to click on More and hit Templates. You will find several templates here. Future, the report below. You can browse the templates, but since we are focusing on meeting notes, we are going to search for meeting notes. And here you found two popular templates. We're going to stick with the meeting notes default template. Use this. You can also use this weekly meeting notes. Click on Use. And here you have it, guys. This is the meeting notes template page and your Confluence project. All these participants, for example, and goals will be shown through the tables. Here, discussion topics and elements are editable, so don't worry. Everything, you can edit this as you want. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.